I'm Allie Wagstaff with Elite Medical and Aesthetics in Lone Tree, Colorado, and today I want to talk about Botox for clenching or tightness in the jaw. That's considered the medical side of the treatment, and there's also a cosmetic side for jawline slimming for people that have a bulkier muscle through here to make more of like a V shape, especially for women. And so I actually want to start by telling you why you should not do this treatment for clenching. And the reason is because typically clenching is a symptom of an underlying cause. And so I get a lot of people in here that want to do this treatment and they say, oh, my dentist or my primary care told me I can get Botox for my clenching, that it's going to be this like great magical treatment. And it's not that it's not going to feel good, but it doesn't treat the underlying cause. So nobody just sits around clenching their jaw because they feel great. Usually there's an underlying anxiety, there's underlying stress, there's something going on. Sometimes there can be an infection or irritation that's making people bite down, but there's something going on. And so I typically tell people, I will treat this, but my rule is I will only do it for a year. And in that time, they need to get help for whatever the underlying cause is. So whether that's stress, anxiety, making sure they have their teeth checked, things like that, because I don't think it would be ethical for me to continue to take somebody's money because I'm just treating a symptom and they're not dealing with whatever else is going on. But in general, if your provider or dentist or whoever said that they can treat it, that's fine. Just make sure that you talk about also treating the underlying cause and getting to that root cause so that you're not just putting a Band-Aid on something that's a bigger issue.